Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 735XT, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by pressing the right upper button right here to open the activity menu. Then press the down button right here to open the system menu. Here, let's scroll up by pressing the up button, select the settings, and then press the right upper button to enter. Now scroll up again by pressing the up button, select the system option, and then press the right upper button to enter. And here, let's go down by pressing the down button, select the clock, press the right upper button to enter, and here we have watch face option. Press the right upper button to enter, of course, and here we can change the watch face. We have two options: digital, which is the default one, and Connect IQ option. As you can see, if you try to select the Connect IQ option, it's gonna tell you to download the watch face from the IQ store. You can do it if your watch is paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect app. So let's bring our phone right here. Open the Garmin Connect app on our phone. In the app, let's tap on the watch icon right here to open settings for our watch, as you can see. Now let's select activities and app management. Then tap on watch faces right here. And here we have a list of watch faces installed on our watch, but as you can see, we don't have any. So let's select get more watch faces right here at the bottom. Now we can install the Connect IQ app on our phone. It's gonna be easier to browse the watch faces and stuff like that. If you want to do it by tapping on download right here. But I'm just gonna tap on not now and open the Connect IQ store in the browser. So let's tap on not now. And here we have a list of watch faces we can install on our watch. Find one you like and tap on the name. For example, this one. Tap on the name to open the watch face, or rather the info page for it. And here you can check if your device is compatible with the watch face or not by tapping on compatible devices. Scroll down through the list, find if there's our watch. Here it is, Forerunner 735XT. So let's go up, and here we can tap on download to download and install the app, or rather watch face. Then tap on allow to allow the permissions. And as you can see now, it says that our watch face will be installed after we sync our watch with our phone again. So let's go back to the Garmin Connect app, to the main page. Here we have a sync button usually, but now the phone is syncing with our phone, or rather watch is syncing with our phone, my bad. So the button is not visible. So let's wait until the watch is done syncing with our phone. Let's go back to the main page, or rather clock face on our watch, like this, and wait until the syncing is complete. And after the watch syncs with your phone, the watch face will change, as you can see. And now we can change the watch faces again by opening the settings. So let's go back to the activity menu, selecting the settings like that, system, clock, watch face, and here we have now digital, the default one, and the name of the watch face we installed on via the IQ store, and we can select any we want like that. As you can see, that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.